Hello Neve fam, and this is Neve from Neve's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be trying one foundation. For me it's a first impression. It's not new in the market, but pretty new for me, so I thought why not I test it in front of you, or maybe you call it a first impression. Do it, wear it in front of you and see how it looks. And maybe it's new for a lot of you, maybe some of you. So let me show you the foundation. And the foundation I'm talking about is this one, and this is Estee Lauder. And Estee Lauder, it says double wear nude, but this one is water fresh makeup. It also has SPF 30, and this is 30 ml, which is 1 fluid ounce. And I got this one. I know there's another Estee Lauder foundation, but I think that's like full coverage and little bit on the matte side, but this one is light to medium coverage. And so I thought I don't like to wear like full coverage. Very rarely, for some special occasion, I would be, I like to wear some full coverage. Actually, not even full coverage, something medium, even on special occasions. So this could be like every day, that's what I heard. So let's open and see how it looks. So I got this foundation from Macy's. I don't know if I told you, and the price on this foundation is $43. And actually I thought of buying like a like a high-end brand every day. Otherwise I really like my if I go from day to night, I really like my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. But I thought just to get something high-end brand. So here it is, and let's open. So this is how it looks. This is again a glass bottle, and it says the same thing, and behind it just says shake well, and my color, which I try to match there. So I'm ready. I have my hair away from my face. I have my mirror ready, and whenever I try any foundation, I try to use nothing very dewy, or I don't use matte at all, so nothing very dewy over the top. I just try to use like a moisturizing, basic moisturizing primer, so that I can see how dewy or matte the foundation is. So Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Riser Primer Moisturizer, like in one. So I'm gonna apply this one because this is almost basic moisturizing primer. So I just applied the primer, and I have my Real Technique beauty sponge ready and the foundation ready. So this foundation says shake well, so I'm gonna shake well. Let me just, okay, so this doesn't have pump. I don't like foundations when I see there is no pump, so I have to shake it like that. Okay, I think I have shaked enough. It's a pretty runny foundation. I'm not going to tilt my hand because I think it's going to run down very quickly. So I'm just going to start applying. So this is how it is looking. You can see the difference. It's a very light coverage foundation, probably like everyday kind of foundation. If you want something every day. But I'm going to apply this side and I'll be right back, and then we'll see another application, like another layer, and see how much it covers. So I'll put on this side and I'll be right back. So this is one application, like one layer. So I'm going to shake again, and then I'm going to apply the second layer and see what it does. So this is how with two layer how the foundation is looking. Before I go into the foundation, let me tell you, I think I picked up some other color foundation, and this color came wrong to me. I think the sales lady gave me the wrong color, because it's really looking pink on me. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. It's really pink on me because it's neutral, and I think I picked up a warm shade. The warm shade looks better on my skin tone, not the neutral. Some of the neutrals I have seen looks I mean, absolutely fine on me, but this one somehow is more pink, so it's looking really pink on me. So I might just return this color and get my color, which I initially picked up, so that I cleared it. So move on to the foundation. And before I tell you more about the foundation and how I'm feeling right now, so I thought, let me complete the whole makeup. I don't want to just sit blank face in front of you guys, and that way I can also see how it goes with other products, other makeup products. So I'll complete the makeup and I'll be right back. So I'm back after applying everything on my face, did my whole makeup, and I can tell you firstly about this foundation is that it's very, very lightweight, and yes, you can wear every day because it is very lightweight. I don't even feel that I'm wearing any foundation. And firstly, when I wore the foundation, I felt little, like almost like watery, as if I mixed water in the, literally the water in the foundation, and I'm applying it. So that's how thin the foundation was. If you're looking to cover all your spots and maybe wear like a color corrector beneath the foundation, looking for a full coverage, then that's not a foundation for you. This is mainly kind of every day that you apply and go. Like I said, it also has SPF 30, and let's see what claims it has on the website. Most probably, like I told you in the beginning, I will be returning the foundation, but not for the foundation, just for the color. Get a different color, which I actually tried in the store, so I'm just gonna get that one instead of this one. It says real skin flawless, definitely, because it's very thin, so your skin peeps out. You can see your skin, all your marks and all that, so it's really skin like feel. So it says flawless, and real protection, 24-hour staying power. So that's very hard to check 24-hour staying power, because I don't think so anybody applies foundation for 24 hours, and if you do, don't do it. With long wear, makeup feels like you have nothing on. That's very, very true. I don't feel really anything. Moves comfortably with your skin, looks fresh, natural, healthy, even toned. I don't know about the even tone because it doesn't cover your blemishes. It says looks fresh, natural, healthy, even tone. Okay, with SPF 30 and antioxidants, it's your invisible defense against environmental damage from UV rays and pollution. So that's what it says. So right now I'm not going out, so I don't know. So after applying the whole makeup, so this is how it's looking. I won't say it's dewy, like luminous or anything like that, but it's just very lightweight, natural finish. nothing over the top. You don't feel anything on your face, everyday kind of. Not, I don't think so. It's good for those special occasions foundation. But if you wear lightweight, just natural kind of foundation, then that's fine. But it doesn't cover any blemishes. And if you're wondering which lipstick I'm wearing, this is MAC, and I had showed you in my birthday haul. If you have not watched it, I will put the link in the description box. And this is Stay Curious from MAC, and this one was, I think, Kiss 2 powder kiss lipsticks, and it's very moisturizing, and I don't know, it tastes really good. So anyhow, I hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe, guys. It really means a lot to me. And follow me on my social media. And if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my eyes, if you like it, the video is coming soon, so please wait for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.